Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Payal and I am posting video once a week on DIY, organization, minimalism, decor and whatnot. So if you are interested in this kind of videos, I love you to be a part of my YouTube family. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is a laundry before makeover. I do not want to make too much changes, but I just want to make it more functional and organized, and I just made some changes and I was very happy with the results, and I'm super excited to share my own experience with you. To start with the bench top, I have moved everything out before I start working. As you can see, two sides I have a wall, but the third side I do not have any support. So for support, I'm going to use the vertical bench. I would like to mention one thing here, that if you live in Australia, make sure you find a stud carefully before putting any nails in the wall. As you can see, I marked everything and then I fixed this wooden block with the help of the nail. To fix horizontal and the vertical bench, I use this kind of bracket. This kind of bracket is more durable and easy to fix it. So as you can see, they are giving very nice support to the horizontal bench. After fixing with this bracket, I put two wooden blocks, which is extra wooden blocks, behind the vertical bench to give a more support, as I didn't use any glue or glue products in this project. After that, I did two holes. One is in the horizontal bench and second is in the vertical bench, to take out the wire and the water pipe. Make sure you make a hole quite big enough so whenever your washing machine gets stuck or broken, you can easily take it out, the water pipe and the wire. The second hole I made is in the vertical bench, to take it out the drainage pipe. This is the bench top after I finish all the work. Now move to the open shelf storage. As you can see, this kind of shelves are easily available in the Burning store. I will leave all the links in the description box below so you can go and check it out. This is the shelves, it's in the same color and the design what my horizontal bench top is. I just fixed it with the brackets. Now move to the storage. For storage, I use this beautiful woven basket which I bought it from the dollar store for easy access. As you can see, this is a quite big to store anything in this baskets, and I can easily take it out and put it back. Also, it gives very elegant look to the laundry room. And last but not least is the decor. To make one side's wall stand out, I used this kind of wall stickers which I bought it from Aldi long time ago. I just painted with the black color. It was originally in the gray color, and I just pasted it on the wall, and it gives very beautiful and elegant look to the room. As you can see, this is very easy to fix it. The next, I have used this beautiful rustic clock to keep track of the time. If you have noticed, I have a key holder before I put this rustic clock, and it gives very beautiful look to the room. To freshen up the space, I use this beautiful hanging basket. I wanted to use a potted plant, but as laundry room is quite small, I ended up with this beautiful hanging basket. I didn't do much. I just mixed two strings of leaves. One is a bigger size and second is a smaller size, and mix it up in the basket and just hanging up with the small hook. It gives very elegant and fresh. Also, I use a storage box which I bought it from the Spotlight, and there is a two compartments in this box. This makes the bench top looks more organized and cleaner. And lastly, I use a clear wood varnish which is from the Monocell, but you can use any water-based varnish. There are lots of varieties available in the store. And this is easy to apply, and you can see all the information and instruction at the back of the container. For application of varnish, I just thoroughly mix and then apply where it's needed the most. It gives protection to the wood in the long run. With this note, I have completed the makeover. This is the end results of the makeover. I didn't spend much. I only spent $300 in this whole project. And please let me know in the comment section how you find this video. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please take a moment to do so. And I will see you in the very next video. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye. Thank you for watching.